us of fear, O love that casts out sin. Tarry no more without, but come and dwell within. True sunlight of the soul, surround us as we go. So shall our way be safe, our feet no straying know. Great love of God